My name is Oyewumi Obushele Okonlawon with student number 230-89459. This is a group presentation of the case study Dino Land Museum, and this is group T30B. I will be discussing the executive summary, the introduction, and the background part of the slide. The executive summary. Dino Land Museum uses fact-based insights to improve the effectiveness and profitability of inventory management at Dino Land. This will use visualization in Power BI to understand the trend of sales, level of stock, and the price point by giving active insights for better decision and operational efficiency. Introduction of Dino Land. Dino Land Museum offers to its visitor an enchanting experiences. It is a place for fossil lovers and visitors interested in prehistoric life. Thousands of people visit Dino Land annually and are always eager to explore the fascinating exhibit. A big list of dinosaur merchandise is prepared for all the visitors and collectors throughout the world within the Dino Land Museum. The museum basically focuses on items like toys, accessories, writing tools, and even products related to fossil. Inventory level and financial results are checked by sales record and stock data on a regular basis. Profitability analysis provide information on buying prices and their relationship to selling prices to highlight products with high margins and signal which to be emphasized. Stock analysis monitors inventory level, highlighting low stock items requiring timely replenishment for sustained sales. Sales trend reflects the customer preference for products and their popularity over time. The background. Dino Land Museum is located in Weymouth, Dorset, and it houses an amazing array of fossils collected from all corners of the globe. It is founded by Florence. This museum has been set up to satiate a fascination with fossils that seem to have taken on a life of its own. It has three major collections: the fossil collection, the natural history room, and the gift shop. Artifact lengths are recorded with additional information like the date of loan issue and return due date for follow-up purposes. Gift shop items include dinosaur-related items such as pen, toys, fossils, mug, and writing sets. Sales are recorded on spreadsheets manually, which are then tallied for accuracy and updating of stock level. Despite their success rates, they still have problem with inventory management and keeping accurate record. However, there is always room for improvement for any thriving institution. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sharmin Akhtar and my student ID 23108677. So today I'm going to talk about our presentation. So let's get started. Dino Land dashboard design. Dino Land design does incorporate some efficient chart analysis of sale and stock data on its dashboard. It gives full concentration to buying price, selling price, quantity in stock, and the description of products. The first chart below plots quantities in stock against the selling price categories. The second chart compares the quantities of the stock to their buying price value. Third chart shows item count based on the last order buying price. The fourth chart sums up the total selling price of the stock based on their respective quantity levels. Dinoland dashboard designed the fifth chart compared the total of stock quantities in combined a range of buying and selling price. This sixth chart has been ranked by the products with their total buying price, and it shows where the major contribution of dinosaur tooth can be found. The seventh chart represents the sum of the prices of the sold stock. The highest figure was recorded when 257 units of stock were issued. The elements on the dashboard are targeted toward pointing out the inventory of management, trends, and sales pattern. Intuitive visualization for clarity on inventory and pricing strategy in Dinoland Museum. This design of the dashboard underpins actionable insight, therefore, operational efficiency and decision making at Dinoland Museum. Interactive dashboard. This interactive dashboard enables views into real-time sales and inventory information with respect to Dinoland. This can also provide us with the capability of interacting with the diverse charts and filters, showing insight into inventory performance. The dashboard summarizes the trends of sale and inventory distribution, which shall enable the managers to make informed decisions on the stocking and pricing of their merchandise. The first chart represents the distribution of quantities in stock across different selling price. The second chart also shows the distribution of quantities in stock by buying price. The following third chart represents by buying price a number of products ordered. The fourth graph summarizes the overall value of the stock selling price based on upon quantity in a stock. The fifth chart represents the total of stock quantities for products with a different purchase and a selling price. The sixth chart plots the total of the purchase price by product description to indicate the main contribution. The seventh chart shows the selling price of the stock with respect to quantities in stock. The intuitive overview from the dashboard enables the analysis of key inventory metrics, thereby driving informed decision. Interactivity within features allows zooming into some points in the data for much easier inventory management. Thank you.
My name is Prince and my student ID is 23080358, and today I will talk about 4 topics. First one is overall KPIs analysis reports. The overall KPIs analysis shown in the reports highlights the sales performance and the stock levels and profitability insights of Dinoland. And second is selling price. The selling prices determination within Dinoland Private Museum helps in setting the best pricing trend to gain profitability. And third one is buying price. Determining the buying price of Dinoland Museum helps it make the best decision to decide the selling price of its products to improve profit margin through controlling the inventory. And last one is quantity in stock. The identification of an optimal stock of an array of dinosaur and fossils related items in Dinoland ensures its stock level to meet demand along with avoiding overstocking or stockouts.
Hello, my name is Tanisha Sharma and my student ID is 230685991. I'm going to talk about the quantity in the stock. The quantity in stock analysis shows the distribution of stock level among different product segments of the Dinoland Museum. The identification of quantity in stock help a firm decide its purchasing quantity and the frequency. The identification of an optimal stock of an array of dinosaur and fossil related items in Dinoland immerses its stock level to meet the demand among with avoiding the overstocking of the stuff in the Dinoland Museum. And next part is stock selling price. The stock selling price in the Dinoland Museum evaluates the total sale value of all the products available in the stock. Improving the stock selling price within a company can help in fulfilling fluctuating market demand through managing the inventory. The stock selling price within Dinoland help in managing the pricing strategies among with managing its inventory management. The stock selling price within Dinoland Museum provide effective insights into potential insights to make plan to generate the revenue based on the current stock present in the museum. Recommendations increase sale performance for improving profitability. Improving the sales performance can help in increasing a brand profitability to generate a revenue and a long-term growth. The approach of improving the sales performance of a gift shop in Dinoland can help in increasing its profitability. Planning product sales target can also act as the best way to improve a brand profitability earned through sales products. The approach of improving the sale performance of Dinoland a private museum can help in increasing its profitability, which increase the sales and the products selling in Dinoland Museum. Second part of recommendation, implementing demand forecasting to reduce stockouts. Implementing demands forecasting can help in managing stock within a firm as per future demand, among with avoiding stock unavailability. The application of prediction based inventory management can help in managing the stock as per future demand in Dinoland Museum. Forecasting demand can also help in increasing a firm's competitive presence through supply fluctuating demand on the time. The implementation of prediction based inventory management with Dinoland can help in reducing the stock unavailability. Thus, Florence can adopt the use of prediction based demand forecasting for improving its inventory management in the long run in the operations for Dinoland's private museum. Conclusion, it can be concluded that marketing better decisions through the situation helps in recording activities to create a reliable system within the Dinoland Museum. The economic and strategic decision taken for managing the overall working of Dinoland Museum. The data driven decision making improves Dinoland's overall financial performance and growth. All the data driven insight in this section can help in making reliable systems with Dinoland in a limited budget. Thus, the approach of recording all the works and operating all the activities within Dinoland can help in maintaining the sustainability of museum in decision making and profit generation. Thank you so much.